With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. Question says that a 25 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter cube volume cylinder is filled with 1 mole of O2 gas at room temperature, that is 300 Kelvin. The molecular diameter of O2 and its root mean square speed are found to be 0.3 nanometer and 200 centimeter per second. What is the average collision rate per second for an O2 molecule? So in this question I have to find out the average collision rate per second for O2 molecule. First we know for average collision. Now first we will find out use the formula of wavelength. So wavelength will become RT divided upon root 2 pi sigma square NAP, where R is universal gas constant, T is temperature, root 2 pi sigma is the diameter, Na number of Avogadro molecule, P is pressure. So we have given sigma equals to 0.3, so we can use this value as 2 into 0.3 nanometer means 10 raised to power minus 9. Now use this formula, and here velocity is 200 meter per second. So now use this formula, find the value of lambda, and use P equals to, using ideal gas equation, P equals to RT divided upon V. So lambda will become V divided upon root 2 pi sigma square Na. So we know average velocity is V average equals to root of 8 upon 3 pi into V RMS. Now use this value. So we will use this value. So root 2, so 200 into root 2 pi into sigma square. We use this value, sigma square Na divided upon 25 into 10 raised to power. So 25 into 10 raised to power minus 3, that is volume, into we use this value of VRMS in this equation. So now because lambda equals to this and V equals to V average divided upon lambda, so use this lambda value in this equation. This is our VRMS, so we use this value VRMS in this equation, and this value is a factor of 8 upon root 3 pi. Now on solving this equation we get it will become 0.1768 into 10 raised to power 10 per second. Hence that is nearly equal to 10 raised to power 10 per second. Hence option C is right. I hope you understood this explanation. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.